Hi, I will be your instructor in this course. In this course, we're going to learn everything we need to get working with AutoCAD. In this course, we're going to learn every core concepts of AutoCAD, and then we're going to execute a complete project in AutoCAD. For that project, I have chosen a high-rising building. In that project, we're going to start this project from scratch, and we're going to learn how to draw facades. We're going to learn how to draw floor plans. We're going to learn how to draw sections, and also we're going to learn how to draw structure reinforcements. I think I will share every 3 days one lecture. With that pace, I will finish this course in 3 to 4 months. Before we start our course, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start our course. For the moment, I want to close this windows. No. Minimize it. To open the AutoCAD, you just simply click on this icon of AutoCAD. It will open, it will bring to this Start tab. As you see, I have downloaded the AutoCAD 2021, which is the last version of AutoCAD at the moment. If you are working on any other version of AutoCAD, such as AutoCAD 2016, 17, 18, or any other version, don't worry, because there is not very much change. If you can work with AutoCAD 2021, then you can simply work with any other version as well. When you open the AutoCAD, you come to this Start tab. Here in the right, there is a notification area where Autodesk sends you notification if you are online. At the moment, I am offline. Down below here, you have the Connect area. Here you can sign into your Autodesk account. Here you can send them feedback. And the Autodesk will consider your feedbacks on their next update or next version of their product or AutoCAD. At the middle here, we have recent documents, where all of the recent documents that you have opened will display here. Down below, you can choose how this document should be displayed. Yeah. In the right, in the left here, you have a list of ready templates if you want to work with ready templates. But if you want to work with from scratch, just simply click on this window or click on this plus sign. Both of them do the same things. Clicking on that window will launch the full user interface of AutoCAD. Let's talk about each element of this user interface. This is called the application menu, and this is called the quick access toolbar. This is called the ribbon, and this is the drawing window, and this is the status bar down here. Let's talk about every one of these with greater detail. Let's go to quick access toolbar. What do we have in this quick access toolbar? Here is the first comment, new. By clicking on this new, you can just simply create another window, another drawing window. If you click on the open, you can open an existing AutoCAD file if you have any. By clicking on this save, you can save all of your drawings or whatever you have done on your drawing. At the moment, we have nothing. Save as, you can just save a copy of your drawing under another name or under another name. Print, you can print a plot, you can print out your drawing. We will talk about this later in the next lectures. Undo and redo, you can undo and redo your works. And this one is workspace. you can switch from 2D modeling to 3D modeling. Just click here. You will go to 3D modeling user interface if you are working with 3D modeling. Right now I'm coming back to drafting and annotation, and you can customize it as well. You have a set of comments here: new, open, save, save as, plot. All of them you see here. There's a tick beside them. If you wanna bring another comments as well, you can just simply click on this. For example, I brought this icon, this comment, another comment. I added these two comments. If you want to subtract any comment, you can just remove this tick mark. Here is the name of your drawing. Here you can search for any comment or phrase in your AutoCAD. And this is your Autodesk account. If you are signed in, your name in Autodesk will appear here. And this is the Autodesk App Store. You can download whatever Autodesk have on their App Store, maybe some blocks or whatever they have. And this is the online community. This is the help center, and this is the window control, standard window control for the entire application. You can minimize, maximize, or close this program. Let's go to ribbon. This is the ribbon. As I have shown you, ribbon consists of tabs: home tabs, insert, annotate. You can simply switch from one tab to another tab by clicking on that, and every tab consists of a few panels. Home panel, for example, consists of draw, modify, annotation, layers, blocks, and so on. And also insert the tab consists of block definition, and so on. And every panel has a few tools. We will talk about these tools in the next tutorials. But right now, let's see some other customization that we can have on this ribbon. Here, if you click on this minimize to tabs, you can see it has minimized it to tabs. You are just seeing tabs. And you can minimize to panels. Yeah, you see, you can minimize it to panel buttons. If you want to bring it back to its initial situation, click here. Oops, I just double click it. I want to click once again. Yeah, you brought it back to its initial situation. If you click here, it will open this window. This window, you can customize the ribbon as well. You see here on the show tabs, you have home, insert, annotate, parametric. You can customize that which tabs you should have here on this ribbon. Home, insert, annotate. For example, I want to delete this home and insert. Home and insert. I deleted home and insert. But I want to bring them back. Home and insert. If you want to, that way you can add or subtract any tab. Down here you can, let's go to home button, to home tab. Down here you have which panels do you want to have on any tabs. Right now we are on home panel, and this on home tab, and this tab you have draw, modify, annotation, layers, panels. Here you see draw, modify, annotation, layers. You can add or subtract panels from here. Oops, what happened? Show panels. Draw. Yeah, I brought it back. Show panels, you can, for example, I want to remove layers. I can bring them back, the layers, as you see. And Down here, show panel titles. You see here is the panel titles, draw, modify, annotation. It's written here. But if you want to not see this draw, modify, or any annotation titles, just click here. Yeah, you see we have removed the titles. And right click and undock. You can undock this ribbon. If you don't like this ribbon to be here, just undock it and just move wherever you want. You can have your own customization. You see I brought it in the left, home, insert, annotation, parametric, and so on. If you want to bring it back, just drag it here to the middle and then drag it to the top. Why it's not? Yeah, working. Everything is back to their initial location. Down here we have the window control for the current drawing. You can minimize, maximize, or close. This one is the wheel cube. You can navigate in 3 dimensions by this. This is used more in 3D drawings, and this one is the navigation bar. This is used in 3D modeling as well. I think it's enough for today, and tomorrow we will continue our tutorials. I will explain command bar and status bar, and also I will explain in the next lecture these options. There's a lot of customization and setting, and they are very important as well. Yeah, it's enough for today. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.